or if the recent home and back button or the navigation gestures are suddenly not working, stop responding on your Galaxy S26 Ultra, this can make the phone feel almost impossible to use. So here are a few quick things you can try to get them working again. Now first, this can sometimes happen if you're using a third-party screen protector. So you can go to Settings, from there Display, scroll down and simply turn on touch sensitivity. At the same time, also check for any pending software update, from settings to software update, and just go ahead and install it if an update is available. Now, there is also a temporary workaround. Just go to Settings, to Display, scroll down and enter Navigation bar, and for the time being, just switch from buttons to swipe gestures just for a while. Now, when you're in gesture, you gotta just swipe right at the middle of the screen to go back. You can swipe up halfway to see recent apps, and swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. You can use it for a while and then switch back to buttons and see if the issue resolves. But if the buttons are still not responding, you can try another workaround for a while. From Settings to Accessibility, go to Interaction and Dexterity, and then simply turn on Assistant menu button. This will add a floating virtual button on the screen that you can use for back, home, and recent apps. But I know you prefer using the buttons and they are still not working. So lastly, you can try Reset All Settings and see if that works for you. From Settings, scroll down till the end to General Management, scroll down to Reset, hit Reset All Settings, and then tap on Reset Settings. If there is no hardware issue with your device's screen, this should solve the problem. Let us know in the comments if we could solve your problem. Thanks for your time.